Hello everyone, today I'll be showing you how to make a health bar material in UE, Unreal Engine. So first you want to create a material, name it something like M underscore health bar, then open the material, set the material domain to user interface, make a texture coordinate node, mask it in the R, make a step node, make a scalar parameter called health, set the slider max to 100, and then divide by 100. And then plug it into here. You then want to multiply by a color. I'll make it red for this example. You then want to plug that into final color. And then if we go here to blend mode and make this translucent, you can see we can plug this in here, and if we change this variable, it will reflect what is displaying. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. It's been a quick one, but I hope this helped anyone who was looking for it.